Hello, good day everybody. Today I'd like to teach us how to copy drawings from one AutoCAD file to the other. Okay, I have two AutoCAD drawings on my computer desktop. First one is 2-bedroom, second one is named 3-bedroom. Now to copy drawings from one AutoCAD file to the other, what you need to do is you have to open the two files simultaneously at the same time. Okay, now without any waste of time, let me head over to 2-bedrooms and double click on it to open it. If you finish opening, I'll come back to the 3-bedrooms AutoCAD drawing, also double click and open it. When the two files have been opened simultaneously, that's when I can perform the function of copying from one AutoCAD file to the other. Okay, now let me double click on it. It's loading. Okay, so this is the drawing. It has finished loading. I'll now minimize this window. I'll go back to my computer desktop and open the second drawing. Okay, now the second drawing is also open. You can see it here. So I have two drawings. How do I know I have two drawings? From your tab here, you can see this was the start page. Okay, where you start the new drawing. This is the first drawing I opened, the 2-bedroom. This is the second drawing, the 3-bedroom. If your own AutoCAD user environment is not showing you this tab, to adjust that is easy. You just simply come to view and ensure you have this file tab on. If the file tab is on, you'll see this tab. Now if I click on it, you can see that it disappeared. I click on file tab, it came back. Okay, so let me go back to home tab over here. I'll click on home tab. Now I have these two drawings, the 2-bedroom drawings here, set of drawings, and the 3-bedroom. Now let's say I want to copy some drawings from here. There are times you have other drawings that have been drawn for long that you don't want to repeat the same drawing again. You want to copy some of the drawings, especially like some components. You can see this is a component, is a drawing of a car. Okay, if you want to copy it to some other drawing, instead of drawing afresh, this is the method you use. I'm going to show you two methods of copying drawings from one file to the other. The first one is you can use the Ctrl+C command on your keyboard. Select the drawing or the item you want to copy to the other file, then you press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Okay, either you press Ctrl+C or you come over to clipboard. You can see clipboard here, and I have copy. Okay, now this copy you see here is different from this other copy we have here. Okay, now if you use this copy here, this one enables you to copy an item or a drawing from within the same file to another place within the same file. For instance, let's say I want to copy this car to somewhere here. Okay, the car is within this drawing, but I still want to copy it to another location here. I can simply click on this one, come to copy, and then click on the drawing and then shift it to where I want it to be. Then I click to place it, okay, on my computer cursor, and I can place it multiple times. If I'm done, I simply press the escape key on my keyboard and it will disappear. Okay, so that's this copy here. So it's not the same thing with this other copy that we have at the clipboard. If you are not seeing this on your computer screen, ensure you are on the home tab. Okay, you know, if I click on insert here, the ribbon changes and it shows me some other commands and icons. Okay, so if you are either on annotate parametric, you will not see it, so ensure you are on the home tab. Then right at the end here you see copy. Okay, so it's either you use this copy or you simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now let's say I want to copy these 3 cars to this other file here. Okay, what I need to do is just simply highlight the file. Let me start highlighting the 3 of them that I want to copy. Highlight it like this. Okay, then I press Ctrl+C on my keyboard. Ctrl+C, that's copy. Now I've copied it. I now move over to where I want to place it, that is to the file. Now come over here, 2-bedroom, Let me zoom to the place I want to place it. And now press Ctrl V on my keyboard. The drawings will now appear on my cursor, waiting for me to place it at the right place where I want it to be. Let me place it outside here. And now click here to place it. Okay. If I want to place another instance, I can simply press Ctrl V on my keyboard, or I can still come to my clipboard here. You can see paste. Click on paste. It will still come up again. Then I can paste it again the second time. Okay, so that's the first method. That's how to copy from one drawing to the other. Okay, now let me show you the second method. The second method is done through drag and drop. You simply drag the drawing you want to copy from one file to the other. Okay, let's say I want to copy these flowers here, which is under this drawing, this 2-bedroom drawing here, into this one. What I need to do is I need to open these two windows side by side. Okay, I open this 2-bedroom by this side and the 3-bedroom by the other side. Then I simply drag what I want right into the second drawing. Now to place these two drawings side by side, what you need to do is you come over to your view tab. Okay, your view tab. Now your view is located here. All these ones are your menu tabs. We have home, insert, annotate, parametric. Now you click on view. Okay, now you come over to where you have tile vertically. That is, if you want them to be tiled this way, one here and the other one here, you click on tile vertically. But if you want tile horizontally, that is, the first drawing will lie this way, then the second one beneath it, then the third one, if there is, you click on this other one. We want it to open in cascade windows. I prefer the tile vertically, so I'm going to click on tile vertically. Click on tile vertically. So you can see the computer automatically tile these drawings for me vertically. This is the first drawing and the second drawing. The second method simply involves dragging and dropping from one file to the other to copy. Let's say I want to copy, if I'm here right now, I want to copy this forecast into this particular drawing. What I need to do is to highlight the forecast. Okay, then you simply drag with your left hand button. To the left hand button of your mouse, you drag and cross over to the window where you want to place it and release. If I release it, the drawing has entered right into there. And release it, you will now enter into the new file. Okay, though I'm not seeing it here, I can reduce my zoom. Let me pan down. Sometimes AutoCAD will place the drawing far away from where you want it to be. Okay, you can see it over here. So I have to move it to the position where I want to take it. I'll highlight it, then click on move here. Then I bring it, reduce my zoom again. Now bring it right to the place where I want it to be. You can also use the right side of the mouse to copy. Let me highlight these cars again. Let me try highlighting something else. Let me say I want to copy the whole of this floor plan. Let me highlight everything here right now. Okay, now I'm going to drag it this time around using my right side, that is the right button of my mouse. I'm now dragging it over to this side. If I cross over to this window where I want to place the drawing, I'll now release my hand. Now this pop-up will come up asking me, and I'll click on copy here to either paste it as block or some other options you have here. Okay, so we're interested in this first one. I'll click on copy here. So I click copy here right now, it will place the drawing for me there. So I've clicked on copy here. Now the drawing has been placed, but it was placed at a far distance from it, so I'll reduce my zoom. Let me pan downward. You can see it over here. I'll now move it by highlighting it. Click on the move command right here, and I click on it and move it down to this place where I want it to be. Let's say somewhere at the top here. Now click OK. So those are the two methods I use in copying from one AutoCAD file to the other. This same method can also be used in copying files from DXF to a DWG file.